Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. There is a lot going on today. It's a brisk day, all right? It's much chillier than it was yesterday, and my nose is running. I'm just kind of walking, and we're looking for some very cool cars or trucks or whatever. And up here, I saw a brand that is getting near and dear to my heart, and you don't even know why yet. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you know why. I bought a Swedish vehicle, and I cannot wait to show it to you. Maybe by the time this comes out, you will know about it. But I found a nice, shiny red wagon, and we're going to check it out, and maybe we'll compare it to some other wagons. Yeah, let's do a war of the wagons. And first up, we have a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Yes, this is a wagon. This is not a, well, I don't want to say econo box, but they aren't the most expensive vehicles. As far as the damage goes, the tires are good, the wheels are good, and you don't have to be afraid of something like this. Okay, as long as there are no folds or any damage like right in through here, you're fine, because the bumper guard right here absorbed most of the impact. Okay, and sometimes you can just put a chain around it, pull it back out, and that will straighten everything out. Not that I recommend doing that, but I have done that, and it did work. So you need a bumper cover, you need your tail lights left and right. I think that's it, because everywhere else, this is a good looking little car. A little wagon, a wonder wagon. No, I saved that for the Mercedes. Let's kind of go inside and see what she's got. She does have power, so that's good. Let's just kind of jump in here. Oh, 87,746 miles. We have no. Tell me no. Tell me the key is missing. Someone has taken the key, so we can't even try to start it. Doggone it. Sometimes you don't get a key if the owner keeps it from the vehicle after the accident and just never turns it in, but I don't see a key. Well, this is the shortest video on a car ever. You know it's going to run, you know it's going to drive, it's going to be an easy fix. It's got a current sticker right up here. So, with that being said, let's move on to the Volvo, because I'm really excited about seeing that one. This one was a wagon, and I came a-running, and doggone it, there's just no key. I'm sorry, there's a light bulb. Why do you have a light bulb right here? Why? Why is this there? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna move on. And here she is in beautiful red, 2018 Volvo XC60. Back in the day, I had an XC90 when I was married with kids, and it was a good car until it just kind of caught fire on the highway and burned up. I don't know why, and Volvo sent a team out to examine the reason why, and they couldn't figure it out either. It started under the front left tire wheel. I don't know. I just don't know, but it was a great car. This was a great car. I didn't anticipate all of this damage. So this is pretty extensive. Once again, you want to look and see if the body absorbed any of this. The door certainly did. The bumper did. So here they've kind of indicated, like right through here. Other than that, though, does this even open? It does open. So yeah, this is kind of extensive, because this pushed in this right here. Here's some of your rear bumper pieces. Yeah, it's gone into the body of the vehicle. I mean, you could pull it. You certainly could. It's a good looking car too. Oh my gosh. But it's adding up very, very quickly. I didn't anticipate this, and now this won't even close. Yeah, she won't even close, which means she's probably dead. Let's take a look here. Ooh, I like the stitching. I like the black and the red and the white stitching, and you have vinyl. I want to say Alcantara, but it's not. Suede-ish. Maybe it's a suede. Maybe this is leather. It just doesn't feel much like it. Perhaps it is. I don't know. It looks good though. I mean, it really, really does. And you have a humongous sunroof right there. And this, of course, is your rear bumper. They're keeping it with the car. A couple of scratches as indicated right here. Some kind of an attachment piece right there. But this is nice. This was, woo! I love this. Okay, well, let's go on the other side and see if by chance she has any power. But this in red, yes, sir. Well, I popped the hood open and she came to life. Yeah, it says hood open, do not drive. And everything is loading. Okay, so before we lose power, let's just try to see what's going to happen here. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is kind of cool. That's how you start it. Ah! Them Swedes think everything differently. Look at this. Okay. We have lots of bells going off. Hood open, do not drive. Speed limit 40. 26,000 miles. 240 mile range. A little more than half a tank of gas. There's just a lot going on right here to take in. So let me see. Is this going to stop? This is cool. Oh, Hip Hop Nation. Yeah, okay. Is that all because of the hood? There it is. Listen to some hip hop. Good stuff. So your XM radio subscription is still on. You get some parts. Oh, they've even exhaust mount. They have labeled the parts for you. How nice. And that's metal. That's nice. That is cool. Okay, before this thing drives me crazy, let's go look at the engine real quick. And there you go. I had the straight 5. This doesn't, I don't know what this is. And I don't see like an emission sticker or anything. I don't want to lift that up. I can't because of this right here. But it looks to be in great condition because it's not moving at all. It's rock solid. So it's transverse mounted. Here's your belts here. Maybe it's a 4. I don't know. It is clean as a whistle down there though. That is really clean. Wow. So do you risk it with this? Look at all of the, you got a little camera lens right there. Do you risk it because of this damage on the back? I mean, a bumper is going to cover a lot of that up. The big deal is just getting this to close. Okay. This is a bolt-on part. You can pull that out. It's just this that's going to be difficult to get it to latch properly and then to seal, you know, all in through here. If you have time and patience, you can certainly do that. I just don't know if I do. This is gorgeous though. I love it in red. I really, really do. So, let's see if we can find another wagon that is a contender. But this is so cool. Look, it's got there's an issue there. Ha! And finally, 2015 Chevy Equinox LT. It's kind of like a station wagon. I mean, it's, you know, it is what it is. I don't know what you think about the Chevy Equinox Acadia and the other one with the engine problems, but I tell you, the Wizard certainly doesn't like them. He came out with a video talking about how bad the engines are in these. As far as damage, you got an issue here. You have an issue with your hood and your front bumper. This headlight is okay. This one somehow survived. How did you survive getting pushed in like that? There's a couple of scratches. That might buff out. But you definitely need a bumper and a hood. This is, yeah, that's a mess. That's a mess. The tires look good though. So you need another fender as well. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Then you'd have yourself a good little car. This is kind of a black over black. We do have power. Well, that's a good sign. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. 179,000 miles. Is that what that said? Let me see if I can get this. We do have a key, which is good. Here we go. Let there be life. Ooh, that sounded horrible for the first 4 seconds. The first 4.5 seconds, terrible. Now it's okay. Service tire monitor system. Oh no. No. This engine. Okay. She does not sound good at all. We've got that going on. She's missing something. Is this the engine that is infamous for just kind of blowing up? She does not sound happy. Come on. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. So this is your Ecotech. 2.4 liter. And she just does not sound like she enjoys life right now. She's a little jumpy. I don't know. We're going to have to look at the Consumer Reports thing on these and just see what's going on with this. But she does not sound happy at all. Ugh. I think I know which one I like of the 3 station wagons, because this, well, like we say, that's kind of a hot mess. So she is sounding a little better now in the engine department. She's getting that oil circulating. This is, I call this the pantyhose kind of material. It would clean up and be a nice place in here. For 178,000 miles, the interior, I will say, does look nice. It needs to be cleaned, but the seats aren't ripped. There's no holes. There's no wear. Your armrest is good. All of this is good. There's no cracks on the dash or anything. But it's just the drivetrain that I'm worried about. Everything's going to work. There you go. All right. So, let's see if we can get in here and ponder this. I have hit my head getting in and out of every car today. I'm not a tall person, but for some reason I'm just not doing a good job. I guess I'm choosing these cars that are driven by female drivers, and they're small and they just have the seats all the way up, because this, see how I'm going down now? Now I can get out. Wow. Yeah, I got a headache after hitting my head so much. Anyway, which of these 3 wagons would you risk your hard-earned money on? For me, the Volvo. Absolutely. I would take that, and the bumper's going to hide a lot of it. You can find yourself another hatch somewhere. I haven't seen a lot of those in the junkyards yet, because they are relatively new, but they are out there. You're probably going to have to use Copart.com. You can look at all the junkyards all across the country, and you can find one, even match the same color, and save some money that way. But yeah, let me know what you would do in this situation. Hyundai, Volvo, my thumb's already dirty, or Chevrolet. All right? Thank you for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. And of course, I have several videos where I do get under the cars, get dirty, cuss a little bit, scream a little bit, lose my temper a little bit, but we get things fixed and we get things done. I have probably 8 or 9 boxes of parts in the garage, and they need to get put on 3 or 4 different vehicles. So I do have lots of content coming. All right? We are back with another one, as I said, coming up very soon. But please subscribe. Please like. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Okay? Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.